back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing. We have big hair. Let's do it. As always, we have our trusty rusty screwdriver. Look at her. There she goes. And we have big hair. I curled my hair with my straightener earlier today. It's Friday as I'm filming this. I just got home from work. Had some spaghetti with angel hair noodles. Angel hair noodle girlies represent. It's the best of the spaghetti noodles, I have to say. Anyway, and I just touched on my hair with this guy here. I don't know what brand. I think it's just some generic brand, but I never use this because it always intimidates me. But I think it turned out okay, and it only took a few minutes. So anyway, Stitch Fix. We're gonna open her up. Dun, 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 dun. Make sure my address is showing. Here we go. And if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, there's a referral below if you want to. Then you get $25 towards your first fix. And they send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep. Make sure it doesn't melt on my whatever that thing is. Hair waver, who knows? All right, let me see. Last Stitch Fix, I think I forgot to read my note right away. You know, it was just all over the place. Chaotic, one might say. I am one. Here we go. Hello there. Big hair. Hope you're well and eagerly anticipating the delights in today's fix. I was thrilled to see your enthusiasm for the fix preview. Kudos on selecting 5 fantastic pieces to explore today. I did pick all 5. What set these apart for you? I'm genuinely curious. Probably have, no, I don't. Good for me. I'm genuinely curious to learn. Take your time working through each fit. Remember, your feedback is invaluable. Whether it's about fit, style, or anything in between, please share your insights at checkout. I'm already looking forward to our next fix journey together. If there's anything specific you're hoping for, especially with a new season rounding the corner, do let me know. I'll keep an attentive eye out. Cheers to your fantastic style adventure. Best, Madeline. Thanks, Madeline. All right, here we go. And of course, we go over the prices at the end. Let's see our bundle as I threw it on the floor. Friday! I don't know where the camera cut off, but my card was full. She's cute! Look at her. She's adorable. Look at this one. I'm kind of like super excited for that one. She's pretty. All right, here we go. And how are you guys? Enjoying fall so far? Yeah, it's still hot. Still hot. I am. 9 Britain Evan scoop neck knit top in dark gray. Look at her. Look at that like thick neckline band. And she's ribbed. What is that? I thought I saw a hole. It's fine, it's not. It's just dark. Yeah, look at her. I thought she was kind of cute. Kind of a boat neck situation. And look at this cute sweater. You can see through it. You definitely need to wear something under it, unless you don't want to. That's fine too. The General Good, Marigot. Marigot! Have you guys seen that TikTok? It's from an old movie where this girl's like stepping on these flowers, and this guy comes out and he's like, "My peonies!" And she's like, "They're marigolds!" And he goes, "I may not know my flowers, but I know a B word when I see one." Have you seen that? Sorry. Anyway, this is tangent. This is called Marigot Pointel sweater by the General Good. So that's just reminded me of it. That's how my brain works. And this one is by Pink, the Doreen lattice back detail sweater in olive. This is really soft, like so soft. Here's the back. I just thought this was so pretty. Again, I think I would wear a cami under this because of the knit detail. This is so soft. I think this one's gonna be a winner. And we have 2 pairs of pants. 2 pairs of pants. And these are by 151, the Vancouver high-rise twill jogger in blue. They're kind of, they're a little stretchy. Here's the bottom. They have that kind of typical jogger bottom with the elastic in it. They have real pockets in the front and back. In the front, in the back. And we have another pair of pants by Can, the Giselle high-rise cargo skinny jogger jean in olive. I do have some like olive pants like this, like that same kind of texture, but they have a button like fly, and I liked these ones. And they have pockets like on the side of the leg instead of up here, so yay. Okay, I don't know if any of that stuff's gonna really go together, so I'll probably have to pull some things from my closet, but let's try them on. I'm in love, and I don't care who knows it, with this sweater. Well, I'm with my husband, but I really like this sweater. It is so soft. It's like the perfect length. These are jeans I got in Short Story Box. Link over there for that video. They're by Democracy. I've been wearing the crud out of them. I love this sweater. Here's the back. It's so soft. It's got a pretty knit detail. It's got a nice V-neck. I really like it. It's so soft. This is a keeper already. It's a keeper. Okay, I don't want to take it off. That's why I wanted to put it on first. So cute. See, pretend my hair's up. Still adorable. I like it. Let's try on more. It can only go downhill from here. This shirt is nice too. I like it. I don't like it as much as that sweater. That sweater, man, it's great. But this is really cute. I think it's a really nice basic. The pants are not high rise, so they will not button all the way, so that's okay. It's all right. But here is the bottom of the pants. Here's my laundry. Don't look over there. Here's the bottom. I think they'd be really cute if they were actually high rise, but they're nice. There's not much stretch in them either. But here's the side of the shirt. It has a kind of little V cut out there. So yeah, all in all, okay. It's okay. Hello. So yeah, here's my shower. I don't know how it gets so off kilter every time, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm saying that's okay a lot. This one is all right. It's a good basic. I do like the rounded neckline, and I like how thick that is there. So yeah, okay, let's do more. This sweater is so retro, like fall, I feel like. Look at these pretty colors. It's so pretty. This is coming off more like a yellowy green, but it is pretty like goldenrod yellow in real life. And it's like the perfect length. Look how cute. Now I will say I like the green sweater better. Sweater better, sweater better, sweater weather. You guys know that SNL skit. But this is really cute as well. I like the open knit. Usually I don't like stuff that's this open, but it's kind of hot as I'm filming this, and it's not so bad. Okay, let's look at the pants. It's a no. It's a no from me, dog. Hey. It is a no on the pants. They fit fine. I don't know, I just feel kind of like uniform kind of pants. Here's the bottom of the pant. Yeah, they kind of rack up a little bit high there too on the ankle, but that's okay. So yeah, I don't know. I do like this sweater. I like the green sweater better. So let's go over prices. Prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Here we go. The General Good Marigot Pointel sweater in orange, $50. The Can Giselle high-rise cargo skinny in olive is on sale. Those were $28.97. They don't fit. The 9 Britain Evan scoop neck knit top in dark gray, $38. The pink Doreen Lattice Lattice back detail sweater in olive, $48. And the 151 Vancouver twill jogger in blue, $48. All the tops were large, pants were 14. Oh, okay, that's probably why. The Can Giselle cargo skinny in olive was a size large. Should have been extra large. When it's like not a number size, I do prefer an extra large in the pants. Stylist picks up total $212.97. Keep everything, $53.24 off of it, so $159.73 for that whole box. If everything, if the pants fit differently, that's a 5 for 5 box right there, I think. But as it is, I think I'm going to keep well, you guys know what I'm going to keep. I'm keeping this baby right here. She's beautiful. And that's $48. I do have credit from one of you guys signing up, so thank you so much. When you sign up and get that $25 towards your first box, I get $25 as well when you check out, so really appreciate it. So it's going to cost me $23. So thank you guys so much. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.